Ryan, the first goal took a bit of time to come, but did it become easier once you made that breakthrough?
Yeah, I think so. Obviously, we weren't really particularly happy with obviously the way we started the game. Obviously, a few sloppy passes and stuff, but I think getting the goal just before half time obviously is always a good time to score, if you say, in a game. And then obviously we went in the second half full of confidence, and then it started to open up a little bit more, and then we obviously got the second quite early on, and it opened the game up for us.
You got the second this evening. It's your 100th goal in the Cymru Premier. Did you know about that landmark before you scored?
No, I didn't actually, to be honest. I knew obviously I was close to it, but I didn't realise that was one off. Like, so yeah, it's obviously a great achievement for myself, but I've obviously been here a long time and I've tried to contribute as much as I can, but to get 100 league goals, I'm proud, something to be proud of.
How much is that a testament to your longevity here and your desire to keep pushing those standards?
Yeah, of course. I think this is my 10th, 11th season now since I've been here, so yeah, it's obviously been great for me. I've started a family down here and played many years. I've had obviously a couple of long-term injuries while I've been here as well, but to get to 100 goals at any level in football is a great achievement.
It's 11 wins on the bounce for you now. How's the confidence in the dressing room at the moment?
Yeah, sky high. Obviously we had that blip against Britain very first game of the season, and we had like obviously stand up talk between ourselves and said that can't happen again, and I think since then the boys have been brilliant. We've gone on obviously that unbeaten run and we've won 11 on the bounce, as you said, so yeah, it's great and just keep going now.